Hey everybody, it's Sid here. Hedgehog is giving out double gems. I tried to make a video about it the other day, but then I got interrupted, so we're trying it again. That's okay, because I didn't get what I needed to be done in that last video anyways. So, hello Bunny Rabbit123. We are going to the game. We're trying to get to level 10 of Hedgehog. Level 10. I've been practicing this for a few days, and you have to complete it too. I almost completed level 10, and then when I had like 1/6 of the thing done, I can't say that word, I died. So that's just very great, isn't it? So the strategy here is not to be too offensive when using the purple gems. A lot of people are like, yeah, I'm gonna go on a merge. Also try and get the currency gems. But with the purple crystals, you don't want to be too offensive with them, because if you don't go and attack the phantoms all the time, then that means you can spend more time getting the crystals without them trying to kill you. That's a strategy that I learned from practicing this, and I usually do use that. I also tried to get about a quarter of the maze done before I activate a crystal, unless of course it is an emergency. And I also just restart if I end up losing lives in the first 2 levels, because I'm gonna need all the lives I can get for later on in the game. I'm not gonna die. And go. This is terrifying because I'm actually on camera doing this, so if I mess up, it will be so embarrassing. So embarrassing. But I think I got this. And boom. Alright. Hedgehog litters have an average of 4 to 7 babies. That is adorable. So on level 2, this one has the same layout as level 1. I noticed they tend to do that. So even number levels are kind of half-assed strategy because you have practice on that map. See, look, I'm not trying to attack any phantoms. If they are in my way, I will gladly eat them. But I am not looking for that many violence today. I am a peaceful hedgehog. Just trying to get the dots. Trying to get them dots. Boom. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom, ba boom. I think it's time to eat another crystal. Yum, 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 yum. Boom. Boom. And I could just move my way up here. Actually, I'm gonna get this gem because it'll probably despawn, because they sometimes do that. Of the gem. Look at that. I got another life. That's fun. Once you hit certain intervals of points, you get lives. Yay! Level 3. As always, get the gem. Okay, gonna just do that. Boom, boom. Again. That was just because they were in my path. Yikes. And boom. Yay. No. Sure, I'm gonna use that. Just focus on the dots. No big deal. And nom. I'm not gonna get that gem. I am so close to victory. Whee! No, 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 no. Don't eat me, please. No. Yes. Okay. And then go in there. And done. Level 4. So when I die in this, I'm gonna end the video, because if I keep on doing this for many rounds, I'll probably that. And die, I mean like lose all my lives. Like if I lose one life, I'm not gonna end it. But if I lose all of them, I probably will. Okay, time to nom. Yes, oh, I got another life. Wonderful. Oh. And go. There we go. Just me, or does this level not have as many dots as the other ones? Could be an illusion. Eek. And boom. Alright. And then I can get some from here. And nom. Emoji moment. Does anyone remember emoji memes? Really? Stay there. Watch this, watch this. They're all coming this way. Boom. Looking for this. And nom. Level 5. This way. No, this way. Yes. 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 Perfect. Okay, gonna numb that. Numb. Do. Yes. That. Boop, peekaboo. I see you. And up, up, up. Up, 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 and down, diddy down, down. And nom. Let's go. Alright. Level 6. Level 6. This is usually when I start to lose lives if I have a successful round in progress. So this could be the start of the downfall of Sid the Hedgehog. God, nom. Num 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 num. Imagine if I added that as a background music for this. That would be great. I didn't notice till like a year ago that this is the same background music as roll! Exclamation point. You had to say, ah! And I died. Eek. So I technically have 4 lives left, because you have a life after the one, like, the last hedgehog. Hedgehog. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it to level 10. I'm calling that right now. It's just so hard to like get back on your feet after you lose a life, because they just all start coming at once, and it's annoying, and it's scary, and it's frustrating, and all that negative jazz, which we don't like. We only like the good jazz here on this Sid 54321 channel. Level 7. This one, oh yeah, I was just gonna say this one's really easy to accidentally use a crystal like way too prematurely. Ah, oh yeah. Also, in later levels, they can start going through there when they're not like golden or fading from being golden. So that's something you need to watch out for when you play Hedgehog. What great, wholesome Animal Jam gaming we have here. And boom. Right. Try to get the little cross in the middle. No. Then try and get the little thing here. I died. Great. Okay. Try to get some of the stuff over here. And we'll have another nom. And we would have beaten a level 7. You see, like, once you lose a life, it just, at least for me, once I lose a life in this game, it just starts an avalanche of me losing all of them in quick succession of each other. Like, I have 2 lives left. Because that represents the amount of spare lives you have. No! Oh boy. See, this is just great. Boom. Okay. Boom. I think once I get to 250k, I get a new life. So, yeah. Okay. Boom. Also, I believe the duration of the Golden Phantoms does. Oi, ayo, ayo. It kind of becomes smaller as you go. I'm gonna die, aren't I? At least I tried. So what happens when I do stuff on camera or in front of people? This is why I have social anxiety, because I know I'll make a fool out of myself. And okay, level 9. 5k left. Well, 15k. Yeah, I have like 15k left, and I get another life. Not that it's gonna mean anything, because I'm probably gonna pass away in this game for the last time before yeah, I did. Okay. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed this rage-inducing game of Hedgehog, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.